The management of the company has a wealth of experience spanning over 30 years in the ceiling and drywall cold forming machine industry, and it is renowned for producing automatic roll forming machines of impeccable quality. Kaigui Machinery boasts an exceptional team of technical researchers and developers, as well as highly skilled technical workers who have been a part of Kaigui Machinery's journey from its inception to its current standing. The firm allocates 30% of its yearly profits to research and development, guaranteeing that our machine is updated annually with new processes, materials, or technologies. This results in a stable, highly automated system with high production efficiency. Kaigui Machinery's experience and expertise in T-bar and light steel keeling has helped us build a unique niche, allowing us to collaborate with international false ceiling and drywall manufacturers. We supply cutting-edge machinery and translate their specific T-bar designs and requirements into metal profiles that meet installation and functional needs. Kaigui's progress has reaffirmed its prosperous ethos that quality and technology are the bedrock of Kaigui Machinery, and devotion and determination are the spirit of Kaigui. This has facilitated Kaigui in building sustained and satisfactory relationships with its clients. Kaigui machines are transported to more than 50 countries, including Africa, India, Southeast Asia, the Middle East and West Asia. One can indeed find a Kaigui T-bar machine in most large-scale T-grid and metal ceiling materials production plant workshops. This makes Kaigui Machinery the ideal choice for China cold roll forming machines.